Hello everyone, my name is Lucio Faria. I'm from Portugal. It's my extreme honor to be inviting you to the third International Congress of Augma Bone Cement happening here in Lisbon, in my home country. It's been 2 years since the last Congress. I know that all Augma personnel are working their hearts out to make it a success. Me as a professional and all my other colleagues that also are going to be in the Congress are going to do our best to be up to that standard. My main lecture is about the A to Z applications of Augma Bone Cement, socket preservation, from socket preservation going up to zygomatic implants, for example, going through all type of clinical situations. And as you know, that's going to be 40 minutes or 45 minutes or 50 minutes, whatever. And so I'm not going to be able to go into deep depth. But on the other day, we're going to have the workshop. In the workshop, I'm going to be able to, speak my heart out and show you how I'm master, how I use Augma Bone Cement and the tips and strategies to reach, bone perfection with Augma Bone Cement. So I hope to see you there in September. Thank you very much.